Get the look you really want with Rough Country's 7-inch suspension lift for Chevrolet and GMC 1500 model pickups. This massive kit affords your truck the ability to run up to 35-inch tires with our beefy Lifted Knuckles and is designed with 100% laser cut materials for the best possible fit on your vehicle. This kit includes a set of front and rear high clearance cross members featuring the RC logo and a differential skid plate. Each kit also comes with a set of durable, fabricated anti-wrap lift blocks that offer a huge boost while helping prevent axle wrap. Give your pickup an aggressive, lifted and level stance with incredible ride quality. Our innovative Lifted Knuckle design boosts ride height while keeping all components at the optimum angles for a factory-like ride. This kit includes a set of Rough Country's premium nitrogen-charged shocks for a fantastic blend of off-road action and smooth highway ride quality. Visit roughcountry.com or an authorized Rough Country dealer to learn more.